we just did those special right triangles. You're going to see they're going to become very, very important in all that we do. And we want to be able to give those exact answers often. And so really, they always tell you they want you to memorize them, but I'm going to be honest, I've never really memorized them because a long time ago somebody taught me how to make a chart with them on it, and I just, anytime I get a test or something like that, I just automatically put this chart at the top. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's got first the three ratios, the three main ratios, sine, cosine, and tangent, because we can find all the others if we know those. And then at the top, it just has the angles in ascending order of the special triangles. So a 30-degree angle, a 45-degree angle, and a 60-degree angle, because we have 30, 60, 90s, and 45, 45, 90s. You don't need the 90-degree angle because we don't use a 90-degree angle with trig functions unless it's a quadrantal angle. And these are coming from actual triangles, so they're not quadrantal. All right, and so this is how you make this chart. You go right across the top, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Then you're going to divide everything by 2. And take the square root of the top piece. Now I could go ahead and put a square root here, but there's no reason to because the square root of 1 is 1. But square root, and so it's always sine, cosine, tangent, 30, 45, 60, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. And then tangent, if you remember when we talked about our quotient identities, tangent is sine over cosine. So if I look at it that way, that'd be 1/2 over square root 3 over 2, or 1/2 divided by square root 3 over 2. Or I could think of that as keep the 1/2, multiply, change the division to multiplication, so keep, switch, flip, 2's cancel, and I end up with 1 over the square root of 3 when you rationalize that. That's square root 3 over 3. Square root of 2 over square root of 2 over 2 is 1. So if I do sine over cosine, anything over itself is 1. And if this one is square root 3 over 3, then the reverse, because the triangle's flipped, or you could do, it's this, flipped, it ends up being just square root 3. So I just make that table every time. So in case you've forgotten them or you didn't memorize them or whatever, you can just generate that table yourself.